This is the SilvaBRYSON Weather Portable Radio. Enjoy music and news everywhere. Portable weatherband AM/FM radio. Here's the size of the radio. You have AM, FM band, and weather band. Battery compartments on the back. Looks like it takes a couple of AA batteries. Looks like you got your tuning knob here on the corner, right here, and your volume and ear jack here.
West winds 15 to 20 knots, becoming west 5 to 10 knots after midnight.
By default, it's on the weather band.
In the evening, then 1 foot or less. The offshore waters forecast for Long Island between 20 knots. To southwest winds 5 to 10 knots.
So there's no on-off switch. You just have to rotate the volume knob. And the antenna is right here. I'd say it's about a foot in length. You could switch over to FM with the switch right here.
Listen now at pulseoftheregion.com, sponsored by Oak Hill.
Over to AM.
Municipal bonds don't usually get the media coverage the stock market does, but if you're looking for a potential source of...
So, I mean, if you're looking for a basic portable radio, this would definitely cover the bill. You just want something inexpensive that has all the bells and whistles. It's kind of cool how small these radios are, and they're still including the NOAA weather band. I really think that if you were to buy a radio this day and age, you really should look into just having this feature in one of your radios, because you never know, you might need it one day.